Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ektorp slipcover is probably one of the most practical and stylish choices for anyone looking to refresh their living space. This video dives deep into the world of IKEA's Ektorp sectional slipcovers, exploring why they're a fantastic option for protecting your furniture while updating your home decor. We'll cover everything from the variety of fabrics and colors available to the ease of washing and maintaining these covers, ensuring you have all the information you need to make the perfect choice for your sofa. Number 5. H.VERSAILTEX Chaise slipcover for sectional couch. This innovative slipcover is made with one piece and is designed to fit most chaise lounges. It's also certified by the Global Recycled Standard, showing its commitment to sustainability. Crafted from a thick, soft jacquard fabric, this cover offers superior stretch and durability. It's designed to fit chaise lounges up to 38 inches wide and 62 inches deep. Protect your furniture from damage without expensive reupholstering. This cover shields your sofa from scratches, stains, and wear and tear caused by kids and pets. Installation is easy with thick elastic loops to secure the cover. It's designed to stay in place on both leather and cloth furniture, providing a neat look. Keeping this slipcover clean is simple. Just toss it in the washing machine on a gentle cycle with cold water. It's also wrinkle-free and can be tumble-dried on low. What we like? This slipcover is crafted from thick, soft jacquard fabric, offering both comfort and durability. It provides full protection against spills and wear, saving you from costly reupholstery. If you have pets or kids, this cover is a great choice to keep your furniture looking new. What people say? The slipcovers are machine washable, which is a huge plus. The fit is perfect and looks custom. The fabric is durable and has held up well to daily use. Number 4. Disayu sofa cover, pet-friendly, washable, stretch slipcover. This sofa cover offers complete 360-degree protection. It shields your sofa from spills, stains, pet hair, and everyday wear and tear. It comes vacuum-packed, so it's best to wash it before use. Made from a blend of polyester and spandex, this cover is incredibly soft and comfortable. It has a good amount of stretch and is machine washable. You can also iron it on a low setting, and it won't shrink or fade. The cover is designed for easy installation and removal, thanks to its high stretch and wrinkle-resistant properties. It has thick elastic straps to secure it in place, so you don't have to constantly adjust it. This couch cover features an exquisite texture and a beautiful, soft color. It not only protects your sofa but also adds a touch of elegance to your home. It helps create a warm and inviting atmosphere for you and your family. Each piece of the sofa cover is sold separately. Please measure your sofa carefully to ensure you order the correct size. It's recommended for both leather and fabric furniture, helping you protect your couch from wear and tear. What we like? This couch cover offers 360-degree protection, guarding your sofa against all sorts of damage. Made from soft and stretchy fabric, it's comfortable and easy to install. If you're looking for all-around protection and a cozy feel, this is the perfect option. What people say? They fit well, stay in place, and protect the couch from fur, dirt, and the occasional paw print. The material feels durable but still comfortable to sit on. They fit a sectional that was hard to find covers for. The elastic around them work very well to tuck in and around your seat cushions. Number 3. HYHA sectional couch cushion cover. This cover is made of soft, highly elastic, and anti-wrinkle spandex polyester fabric. It's breathable and can adapt to various cushion shapes and styles. Featuring a non-slip thick elastic bottom, it stays tight without shifting or slipping on both leather and cloth sofas. It is also simple to put on and remove. Save your furniture without expensive reupholstery. This cover can restore your sofa beautifully and inexpensively. It's designed to withstand tears, stains, and the wear and tear from kids and pets. This cushion cover can be used in many ways, such as patio cushion covers, T-shaped couch cushion covers, and couch back cushion covers. It comes in a range of colors to suit any decor. It's machine washable at around 30 degrees Celsius with mild detergent. Please do not bleach it. Also, do not iron the cover. What we like? This cushion cover features a non-slip design, ensuring it stays in place on your sofa. It also provides full protection against everyday wear and tear. If you like a cover that is easy to maintain and stays put, this is a great choice. What people say. The slipcover is easy to put on and take off. The fabric is durable and has held up well to regular use. The slipcover fits the Ektorp sectional perfectly. Number 2. H.VERSAILTEX Chenille Chaise Lounge Cover. This sofa cushion cover is a quick and affordable way to safeguard your furniture and refresh your home. It shields against spills, stains, and everyday wear and tear. Made from soft, elastic chenille fabric, it's bouncy, vibrant, and comfortable. The unique chenille fabric makes this cover look like it was custom-made. Its blended style adds a natural and elegant touch. It protects your sofa year-round and extends its life, while adding a splash of color to brighten your space. Thick elastic loops at the bottom keep the cover securely in place. The good elasticity ensures it fits snugly on the seat cushion, preventing it from sliding off. This cover is wrinkle-free and easy to care for. Simply machine wash it separately in cold water on a gentle cycle, and avoid using bleach. It's designed for convenience and long-lasting use. Made of soft nature of the elastic chenille fabric, bouncy, vibrant and comfortable. There may be fine fuzz during friction, which is a normal phenomenon and does not affect its use. Great choice for homes with children and pets. What we like. This cover is made of elastic chenille fabric, which gives it a unique and elegant look. It protects your sofa and adds a touch of style to your living space. If you are looking to refresh your living room with a stylish and protective cover, consider this one. What people say. The slipcovers are machine washable, which is a huge plus for families with kids or pets. The Ektorp sectional slipcover is easy to put on and take off for washing. The slipcover fits the Ektorp sectional perfectly. Number 1. Custom sofa covers for IKEA Ektorp Sectional. These custom-made sofa covers are designed specifically for your IKEA Ektorp sectional sofa. They are made to fit perfectly, giving your sofa a fresh new look. Made from high-quality polyester flax, these covers are designed to resist shrinkage after washing. You can easily keep them clean and maintain their shape. We've rigorously tested these covers to ensure they are durable and long-lasting. They are made to withstand daily use and maintain their quality over time. The package includes covers for various Ektorp sofa configurations. You'll receive the right number of pieces to cover your specific sofa setup. The actual product color may slightly vary from the photos due to different screen displays and lighting. Please note that this is a sofa cover set only. The sofa itself is not included. What we like. This cover is specifically designed for the IKEA Ektorp sofa, ensuring a perfect fit. It is made with quality polyester flax and is designed to resist shrinkage after washing. If you are looking for a perfect fit and long-lasting quality for your IKEA Ektorp, this is the one for you. What people say. This replacement is beautiful and worth the money, which was not expensive. The fabric is great quality and fits perfectly. This cover fits perfectly and fabric clearly goes to the floor. The fabric feels much more durable as well. This cover fits my retired IKEA Ektorp sectional perfectly. The quality seems good, the fabric and color are nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.